Uh, New bike check. I got a couple new things, major things. Let me start off with my bars. Same old stolen cell bars. I just rolled them out. I did a shitty job around the edges. Stolen money grips. Stolen Barends. I got a new stem. Fit down low stem, but it's kind of like a fit up high stem because I got it upside down. Oh, major new thing right now. New frame. Fit Brian Foster frame. Same old stock forks. They're bent. I gotta get new ones. Eastern front hub. Aliennation delinquent front rim. Premium refuse resist tires. Stock cranks. Odyssey pedals. Colt. Seat post combo. I'm about to get a new seat though. I need to get a premium seat. Premium refuse resist tire in the back. Stock hub. I'm getting a new hub too. Eastern birectional hub. That's it. I just wanted to show off my new frame. It's pretty much the same weight as the last one, like 5 pounds. And that's about it.